Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the kit. A 1/4 inch small size ratchet wrench, telescopic design, flexible swivel head, a 3/8 inch medium size ratchet wrench, telescopic design, flexible swivel head, a 1/2 inch large size ratchet wrench, telescopic design, flexible swivel head. Now let's go over the features of this tool. Pull the collar to extend or retract the ratchet wrench. It features a 5-section telescopic design. This is the direction switch lever for loosening and tightening. Push it to the left for loosening. Push it to the right for tightening. Next, the swivel head. It allows for multi-angle operation in tight spaces. Now, let's demonstrate how to use the ratchet wrench. This is the 1/4 inch small size ratchet wrench. There's a quick release button here. Grab a socket of your choice, press and hold the button, then attach the socket, and it locks securely in place. With the lever slid left, it's set to loosen. Let's test it on a bolt. And this is how you loosen the bolt. Slide the lever to the right. Now it's set to tighten. You can tighten it just like this. If the bolt is extremely tight, just pull the telescopic collar to extend the ratchet wrench and get extra leverage. This makes it much easier to loosen the bolt. If the bolt is in a tight spot, just adjust the swivel head to the desired angle and you can work on the bolt easily. Whether working in confined spaces or tricky corners, this tool handles a wide range of fastening and loosening jobs with ease.